So excited.
It's cool.
What's that?
Mario's inspired.
That's pretty cute.
Right? Yeah, that's Mario's.
This is so cool though. It's a storage trunk. So look, it looks like a little luggage, but just for storage. That's so cute. Yeah, so cute. For the gift shop. Ooh. Only be $1. Meal of the baby moon. We're having some Irish food. It was kind of like the first option type of thing. I was feeling really overheated, so I was just like, this is fine, let's just go here. But it ended up being a really cool place. There's dancing and live music. I'm getting like a little chicken sandwich, and then Zach's just getting fries and soda bread. But I'm excited for the food. So Zach and I are splitting the chicken sandwich, so I'm having the chicken. Oh, thank you. So I'm having the chicken, and then he's having the Frenchie fries. We got some M&Ms at the M&M store. We'll have to do a proper taste test later, but we're having lots of fun on the baby moon so far. All right, we just finished our time at Disney Springs. We got lots of goodies. We went to the M&M store. We had lunch there and we just walked around. One of our favorite things was the Lego store. That was really cool. Zach loves Legos. I actually like Legos too, but it's just cool to see like all of the different things. And we walked into the dinosaur cafe and they have the Build-A-Bear there that's all dinosaur themed, which is really cool. I went there when I was a little kid and I got a mammoth built on my birthday. I didn't see the mammoth this time, but they still have like fun dinosaur different ones. But we're gonna be going to the hotel now and the rest of today will just be full on relaxing. Hopefully the check-in goes smoothly and then I might go in the pool tonight because my back is killing me. And then we're probably just gonna do like room service, order in and just enjoy the hotel. Because that was the main part or point of this baby moon, was just to relax. So I'm ready to relax. We're excited. But quick little drive to the hotel. I'll see you guys later. Guys, we learned some devastating news. The website for the hotel said there was a pool, but the lady at the front desk said there's no pool. So I guess it's either closed for renovation or maybe we were accidentally looking at the wrong location. But there's no pool. I was so excited for my back. I even bought a bathing suit that would fit me just for this. But at least I have a bathing suit now so we can like, I guess go to the beach at some point, or my parents' house, but I don't know. Here is the little room tour. Let me flip this around. Here's the little balcony. Very pretty. Little chairs. Then here's the room. I love the colors of the room. Yeah. There's even like a little bar right here. Let's see, I bet a little fridge. Yeah. That's a cute little room. I love like all the colors. I love how they did that painting too. That's a really good idea, actually. I thought it'd be really cute for our bedroom.
Really pretty.
And I love the colors.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the bathroom.
Same colors, more lighter.
Yeah. Here's the little bathroom.
So you wanted to do it now?
I feel good right now. In the shower. But nice little room. This is like one of those hotel rooms that feels like you're staying at someone's like guest room. Like, it feels very homey, which is nice. So we're gonna try to figure out what we want to do for the rest of the day. We don't really have anything planned. The idea was just to relax here and go in the pool. So we did hear there's a bike rental place nearby though, and at the bike rental they have maps of the area, so we can pick up a map there and we'll see if there's anything fun to like walk around and do in this area.
How was your stay?
All right, it's the end of the first night of the baby moon. Some things. Our hotel ended up not having a pool, a usable pool, so no pool for my back. And then also we ended up door dashing, and because the parking here is like crazy and it's an hour late. But other than that, amazing baby moon. It's been really relaxing and actually a lot of fun. We took our time driving here. We stopped by Ikea. We had some good food. We had lunch in Disney Springs, and we just been enjoying the hotel room too, like since after that. No dinner yet though, but I'm so excited for Korean barbecue. I can't get that where we are, so this is like whenever we're in Orlando, I'm like, Zach, we need to get it. So I'm excited for it to be here. I don't know how hot it will be, but I'm very excited. And then tomorrow it will be just another fun, just like relaxing day. We're gonna spend most of the morning just relaxing at the hotel, like literally just being potatoes in a room. And then we do want to go to H Mart, and I think that's like our only big plan, right? Yeah, that's our only big plan. It's just like the whole point of this trip was just one like fun little relaxing little thing. But that is the little baby moon update. fruit.
Go look at the get that and get it.
Yeah?
We'll do that after breakfast.
Hello.
That's not skip it so far.
A little bit of granola, coconut, and a little bit of honey. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. I gotta get here. This is future Katie filming on my laptop. But I realized when editing this video, I'm editing it right now, I never filmed a proper outro. So, little recap, after eating breakfast, we ended up just going to H Mart, like I said earlier. It's like a Korean food market. It was super packed, super busy, so I didn't want to film in there, just to out of respect of everyone there. And then we just went home. That was it. It was literally like after checkout, it was just kind of like our main plan was going home. So I forgot to film. I'll do better next time. But thank you guys for watching the vlog, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video and want to see future vlogs. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.